Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you a phrase called later, 等一下. What are you going to do later? Where are you going later? 怎么说呢？
等一下，
等一下，
或者是等下。
哦，更简短就是等下。Okay, both means later. And that's exactly what I want to ask. 你今天怎么这么漂亮啊？
我只有今天哦。
当然每天漂亮啊，可是今天特别漂亮啊。
怎么说呢？
你今天穿洋装你通常都穿裤子。
对呀。没错，因为我等一下要去喝喜酒。
真的是等一下有事情，对不对？
对。
See, Alice is dressed up today. I can tell she's going somewhere later, and she tells me she's going to a wedding. No wonder. So let's put you in the scenario then. Wow, you are dressed beautifully with a new dress today. Wow, 今天穿新洋装哎。
哇。今本
日
作新用中哦。
作新用中哦。所以等一下是怎么样？要去哪里？
喝喜酒。
好，那等一下要去喝喜酒怎么说呢？
我等一下。
等一下。
我去食酒啊。
我去食酒啊。食酒其实就是喝喜酒了。Oh, okay. You know, it's interesting. In the Chinese language, including Hakka, they actually include the word wine or alcohol in a wedding because that's common practice. Don't drink and drive though, but it is 食酒 that means, again, a wedding ceremony, basically. 那怎么说呢？ No wonder you're so pretty today.
难怪做到暗奖。
难怪做到暗奖，暗奖就是水啦。暗奖 ，you gotta say this to people, you know, they'll be very happy. Means you're pretty 暗奖 ，but 难怪是
难怪
不是南瓜，
是难怪。
难怪 means no wonder, actually. Okay, it may sound like a pumpkin, but it's not. It's actually 难怪. Okay, no wonder. All right, let's review some of these terms right here. For instance, a new dress, 新洋装，
新用中，
新用中 and next, a wedding, 要去喝喜酒，
食酒，
食酒 Okay, that is a wedding ceremony or banquet. And finally, 好漂亮哦，
暗奖，
懂暗奖，
没有懂暗奖，
不能这样子讲吗？
暗奖
很漂亮啊，
懂奖，
懂奖 Okay, 暗奖 means pretty, but if you're very pretty, you can say 懂奖 Okay, and we're all teaching you how to say later, 等一下，
等一下
or
等下
Now you know, that is today's practical Hakka.
什么大家？
子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.